Ay, hindi, okay na pala, okay
society
na.
has experienced glorious highs and turbulent lows. As a project-based organization, I think our strength lies in excellent project management. Hence, I propose that our projects, we improve the paradigm we move in. That is, to push for sustainable but innovative projects. Going back to, and not forgetting the basics, to, to make a project cookbook containing the requisite constants of project planning and execution, to refurbish long-standing projects, to renew interest and patronage. Indeed, I will empower members to supply and support our ideas. From the need to sustain patronage and sustain steady patronage comes the need to steadily communicate. With me, enhancing communication systems is top priority. With the mathematics department, I will strive to form a mutual support with AMS to establish AMS as a student arm that is supported by and supports the mathematics department. At the same time, ask the department for recommendations to venture off into efforts to promote mathematical excellence. To improve efforts and services, it is most important to pinpoint pertinent issues and address them. Hence, I will push for a more specific evaluation process to determine the specific needs of each member per batch. I will push for more rigorous evaluation processes in projects to require more strictly the core teams to submit evaluation data and other documentation requirements to clear the core team for retention. Ultimately, these are for the people who matter, you. Okay? So each member should be informed and informed through more means. Email, AMS website, social media, SMS, batch representatives are among what I plan to pursue. Informed about events that you were not able to attend and witness firsthand. Thus, with these information media, I will increase awareness for services for you. Back to basics, back to members. It may sound simple. In fact, it may be simple after all. But for these to be realized, I need your help. Okay? Vote for me, vote for relentless service to challenge what's possible.